Hello, welcome to Lasse's Food and Barbecue. It's a nice day today, so I thought I'd cook outside. Since the sun hasn't set and it's nice and snowy, I got my griddle working, or actually I just turned it on. So I'm going to make a little bit of like a stir fry. I'm going to use some ground beef. I prepped some shredded cabbage, and no, it's turnip and kale. Chopped 3 tomatoes, chopped 3 small onions, and chopped some potatoes. So I'm going to start by frying the potatoes and the onion and stuff, and then I'm going to mix it all together, and I'm going to bring you along on the ride. Just today, of course, my camera doesn't work, so I'm just going to give you a few shots. I'm going to add some oil and then get the veggies on there. I'll show you what it looks like. Starting off with the potatoes. They've been soaking for about half an hour, and then I'm going to put some onions on there. Almost put a little bit of snow on there, and I'll mix that with the tomatoes in a little bit. And there we go. Time to start this around. It is about 5 degrees Fahrenheit today, so I've got to keep the lid closed, otherwise it's just going to cool down. Anyway, half of it on there, so just going to put the rest on there. I'm going to be using this Italian grigliati and barbecue Italiano seasoning. It was really good. I almost used up the whole bottle in a week. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. It's coming along nicely. Time to put the beef on. I need both hands for that as well. I'm just gonna use my little spatulas and start dividing it. Okay, so the beef is starting to brown, so it's time to start mixing this together and prepare so I can start frying the turnips and the kale. Okay, there we go. So time to put this stuff on. I just put a little bit of oil on the grill, and then gonna get this up to temp, turn it around a little bit, season it, and then mix it all together. Time to eat. Okay, I think it's time to wrap this up. Starting to snow here. It's not much, but still. Anyway, nice being outside. I've got a friend. Everything has Phil he wants. This smells very nice. And I also want to get to eating it because I'm very, very cold. But always nice to do something different for a change. See you inside. There we go. Winter stir fry. Let's try it. Probably say this every time, but this tasted really great. That Italian seasoning really is very, very nice. I'm gonna eat this. I hope you have a nice weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye.